Hello guys, once again welcome to our YouTube channel Bird Tech. So today we will cover topic computers and IT multiple choice questions series where we will cover 50 questions which are very important from exam perspective, competitive exam perspective. So let's move on to these questions one by one and see what happens. So first, while browsing the internet, which of the following key is used for full screen view? So answer is F11. So pressing F11 most web browser toggles full screen mode, allowing users to maximize their viewing area by hiding the address bar and other interface elements. This feature is widely supported across all major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Interestingly, the F11 key was introduced with the first version of Windows and has been standard for full screen functionality in many applications since then. Second question. The terms good put, throughput, and maximum throughput are most closely associated with which among the following in computers? Correct answer is bit rate. Third, what do we call a CPU that is designed specifically to handle the communication processing task? Its main purpose is to offload communication processing task from the host computer so that host computer can be dedicated for application and data processing jobs. So answer is front end processor. Fourth, consider the following. Which among the following is our high level language HLL? So correct answer is 1, 2 and 3 C, C++ and COBOL. All are high level language. Fifth, Internet escrow is a term most commonly related to which of the following? So answer is e-commerce. So escrow is the financial instrument whereby an asset is held by a third party on behalf of two other parties that are in the process of completing a transaction. E-commerce holds the asset of a merchant before it is sold to a customer. So it is internet escrow. Sixth, which among the following was India's first teraflop supercomputer? So correct answer is C. Param Padma. So Param Padma was the first Indian teraflop supercomputer. It is first machine ranked on a worldwide supercomputer list. 7. The term massive MIMO is sometimes seen in the news in the context of information technology. So massive MIMO is an antenna technology used in 5G networks to improve data rates, coverage, range and capacity. It stands for massive multi-input, multi-output. Massive MIMO use many small antennas to boost bandwidth and support more users per antenna. It can be used in both sub-6 GHz and mmWave bands. These high frequencies can deliver download speed of multiple gigabytes per second. Massive MIMO has been used in 5G network for about a decade. It has evolved from an academic idea to become the core technology that will likely be used in future all future wireless technology. The term massive MIMO has a relatively well-defined meaning in academic circles. In the wireless industry, it is often used in broader terms. So, eighth question: which of the following comprise the hardware components of the computer? So, answer is all. Printer, keyboard, and mouse. All are hardware components. Ninth, who are the how are the four main components of a computer interconnected internally? So answer is buses. So general purpose computer has four components like the arithmetic unit, logic unit, the control unit, the memory and input output devices. These parts are interconnected by buses. 10th question. Which of the following is not an input device of the computer? So the sound card is not the input device of the computer, while trackball, image scanner and joystick all are input device except sound card. So sound card is not input device of the computer. A trackball is a pointing device which consists of a ball held by a socket. 11th question. Which of the following components of PC personal computer maintains date and time of the system? So answer is A. CMOS RAM. So CMOS RAM is volatile, low power, complementary metal oxide semiconductor. It is alternatively referred to as real time clock. 12th question. Which of the following is the another name given to the LCD displays? So the answer is B. TFT. So a thin film transistor or TFT is a variant of the LCD liquid crystal display that uses thin film transistor technology to improve image quality such as addressability and contrast. 13. What is Plan 9 from the Bell Labs? So it is both A and B. It is a distributed OS operating system. The first official release was in 2015. So Plan 9 from Bell Labs is distributed OS. It is originated in the Computer Science Research Center CSRC at Bell Labs in mid 1980s. 14. Which of the following is one among the time sharing programming languages? So answer is A. JOS. So guys, I'm going to come back in just few seconds. Please wait. I'll be back. So guys, we were discussing the JOS. It's a time sharing programming language. So JOS stands for Johannic Open Source System. It was one of the very first interactive time sharing programming languages. JOS was developed by J. Clifford Shaw. 15th question. Which of the following are being managed by database management system? So answer is all. Data, database engine and database schema. So DBMS manages three important things: data, database engine and database schema. The schema defines the database logical structure. 16th question. What is the full form of RAID? So answer is redundant array of independent disk. So this is the full form of RAID, redundant array of independent disk. So RAID stands for redundant array of independent disk. It is data storage virtualization technology that combines multiple physical disk drive components into one or more logical units for purpose of data redundancy, performance improvement or both. 17 question. What is the full form of DHCP? So answer is A. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. So it's a client server protocol that automatically provides an internet protocol host with its IP address and other related configuration information. 18 question. Which of the following is true about fiber distributed data interface? So answer is D. It is a set of NCN ISO standard for data transmission on fiber optic lines in a local area network. It is based on token ring protocol. It can extend in range up to 200 kilometers. Question number 19. What will be the bandwidth of a periodic signal if it is decomposed into 5 sine waves with frequency of 100, 300, 500, 700 and 900 Hz? So answer will be 800 Hz. So if you see bandwidth equals to high frequency minus lowest frequency. In this case, bandwidth will be, so highest frequency is 900 and lowest frequency is 100 hertz, and it's 800 hertz. So this is the formula. 20 question. Which of these standard is used to define Ethernet based networks? So answer is B. IEEE 803 802.3. So this is for Ethernet based networks. So 802.3 is set of standard put forth by Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineering that defines Ethernet based networks as well as same name of the working group assigned to develop these standards. 21 question. What is Microsoft Project Proprietary File Format? Microsoft Project Proprietary File System. So answer is .mpp. So Microsoft Project is a project management software product that is developed and sold by Microsoft. So its format is .mpp. 22nd question. Which menu option is used to add header and footer in documents? So answer is D, insert. So insert tab is used to insert page breaks, tab tables, illustration, links, header, footer, text, and symbol, etc. 23rd question. How many number of characters can be entered in a field name in MS Access 2010? So answer is D, 64. So number of characters in a field name in MS Access 2010 can be 64. Number of fields in table can be maximum of 255. What is the full form of ALU? So the answer is Arithmetic Logic Unit. So it's a combination digital electronic circuit performs arithmetic and bitwise operation on integer binary numbers. This is in contrast to float point unit which operates on floating point numbers. 25th question. What do we call those ATM where hardware is owned by service provider but cash management and network connectivity is provided by a sponsor bank? So answer is B, brown label ATM. Okay. So brown label ATM is sharing cost concept. In brown 8 label ATM, hardware is owned by service provider, but cash management and network connectivity is provided by sponsor bank. So 26th question, what should be the pressure range of compressor to obtain high COP? So answer is B, low. So to improve the coefficient of performance, it requires that compressor wood work should decrease and refrigeration effect should increase. It means that decreases in condenser pressure and temperature so that refrigeration effect will increase and compressor input work due to this COP will increase. 27. Which app is all in one single unified mobile app for accessing hundreds of central and state government services in India? So answer is B, Umang. So Umang means Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance. This app enables the users to access multiple government services in multiple languages. It is more important component of Digital India initiative. 28th question. Who is known for invention of World Wide Web? So answer is A, Sir Tim Berners-Lee. So in 1989, Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web, an internet-based hypermedia initiative for global information sharing at CERN, European Particle Physics Laboratory. 29th question. The memory of a computer is commonly expressed in terms of kilobytes and megabytes, KBMB. A byte is made up of how many digits? So it's 8-bit digits. So a byte is a unit of digital information in computing and telecommunication that most commonly consists of 8 bits. Question number 30. What is the USSD code for query service on Aadhaar Mapper? QASM. QSAM. So answer is C, star 99 star 99 hash. Question number 31. What is the USDT code for QASM? So we have covered it. What does R stand in the GPRS? So answer is radio. So GPRS means General Packet Radio Service. is a packet-oriented mobile data standard available for only 2G and 3G cellular communication networks, global system for mobile communication. 33. What does S denote in the popular term kbps? So it's denote C second. kbps for kilobit per second. It is kind of measurement which shows the speed of an internet connection unit per second. 34th, what is the correct full form of SAN? So storage area network. So SAN means storage area network is a computer network which provides access to consolidated block labeled data storage. 35th, what does M denote in term XAML? XAML. So it denotes the markup. So XAML means extensible application markup language is a declarative language which is used for initializing structure value and objects. 36th question, the artificial barriers to the flow of information is known as see Chinese walls. So Chinese walls artificial barriers to the flow of information set up in large firms to prevent the movement of sensitive information between departments. 37 question, most of the computers available today are say fifth generation computer. So fifth generation computers uses AI, artificial intelligence, parallel processing and ultra large scale integration ULSI. These computers use discrete transistor instead of vacuum tube. The transistors are cheaper, more compact and more reliable and faster than first generation vacuum tubes. The generation of computers are, if you see here, we have five generations seen. The first generation from 1950 to 60, second generation from 1960 to 70, third generation 1970 to present, fourth generation Intel coupled with RAM chip with microprocessor, making computers smaller and faster, and fifth generation present and the future. 38 ATM is abbreviation for automated teller machine. B is the correct answer. So automated teller machine or automatic teller machine ATM is a computerized telecommunications devices that enable the client of financial institution to perform financial transaction without the need for a cashier, human clerk or bank teller. The first modern ATM came into use in December 1972 in the UK. The IBM 2984 was designed at the request of Lloyds Bank. Question number 39. In DBMS, the content and the location of the data is defined by the C metadata. So in DBMS, the content and the location of the data is defined by the metadata. Metadata is data about data. It assists in resource discovery by allowing resources to be found by relevant criteria, identifying resources, bringing similar resources together, distinguishing similar resources and giving location information. Question number 40. In the IT and technique that is used to increase the bandwidth is B. Memory interleaving. So interleaving is commonly used in pipeline processor to increase the memory bandwidth beyond the bandwidth of a single memory module or bank. The performance of interlabeled memory system depends on the number of banks, the bank cycle time, the number of processors, and the pattern of request generated. The design of such system involves a number of trade-offs which are dominated by the nature of interrelationship between these factors. Question number 41. A parallel port is most often used by port a printer. So a parallel port can be used to connect a large number of devices. The most common usage was the printers, although scanners, internal, external disk drives, and network adapters also use this port with a special cable. Two computers could be connected directly for sharing files. Question number 42. A translator for assembly language to machine language is a assembler. So assembly language is converted into executable machine language by a utility program referred to as an assembler. The conversion process is referred to as assembly or assembling the code. Now, which of the following is the ascending order of data hierarchy? So correct answer is D. First is bit, then byte, then field, then record file, and then database. So bits, characters. A bit is the smallest unit of data represents a 0 or 1. Second is byte, unit of digital information that most commonly consists of 8 bits. Second, field consists of grouping of characters, and record consists of fields which with each field describing an attribute of the entity, and file group of related records, and database an integrated collection of logically related records or files. Question number 44. Which of the following is not OS operating system? So D Opera is not an operating system while Android, Vista and iOS are operating system. So Opera is web browser for Windows, Mac OS and Linux operating system. It is developed by Opera Software. As of November 2016, the browser was owned by Chinese group of investors under the name Golden Brick Capital Private Equity Fund Limited Partnership. Question number 45th, which is not an external storage devices. So RAM is the correct one. So random access memory RAM is an example of internal storage, commonly called memory. It is considered primary storage since it stores data that is directly accessible by the computer's CPU. RAM is high speed storage medium that can be accessed with minimum delays. Question number 46. Which of these involves traversing the entire system, marking everything that can be accessed? So, question answer is garbage collection B. So, garbage collection involves traversing the entire file system, marking everything that can be accessed. Then a second pass collects everything that is not marked onto a list of free space. Garbage collection for a disk-based file system, however, is extremely time consuming and is thus seldom attempted. Garbage collection is necessary only because of possible cycles in the graph. And question number 47, what is the full form of ISDN? So answer is C, Integrated Service Digital Network. So ISDN stands for Integrated Service Digital Network. It is a set of communication standards for simultaneous digital transmission of voice, video, data and other network services over the traditional circuits of the public switched telephone network. The key feature of ISDN is that it integrates speech and data on the same lines, not available in classic telephone system. Question number 48. The term hacker was originally associated with which of the following? So answer is C, computer professional who solve complex computer problems. So in computing, hacker is any skilled computer expert that uses their technology knowledge to overcome a complex problem. While hacker can refer to any skilled computer programmer, the term has become associated in popular culture with a security hacker, someone who with their technical knowledge uses bugs or exploit to break into computer system. And question number 49. Who invented computer? So answer is Charles Babbage. So English mathematician and inventor Charles Babbage, who credited with having invented the first mechanical computer that eventually led to more complex electronic designs. The analytical engine invented by him in 1837 contained an arithmetic logic unit, basic flow control, integrated memory, hailed as the first general purpose computer concept. And question number 50, the last question of today's series. Every HTML file is a text file. So hypertext markup language means HTML file is a web page coded in HTML that can be displayed in web browser. It consists of text, so it is essentially a text file is used to format text, tables, images and other content that is displayed on a web page. So these were the questions. I hope you will like these questions, and for more information, for more such topics to view, please subscribe our YouTube channel. The name, as you know, is Tech World, and like it, subscribe it, share it, and get benefited by it. So I will see you soon, very soon, with a new topic. Till then, bye bye, take care, all the best.